Hello everyone, we welcome you to our channel ASLP Club. Today we brought to you a very important topic that everyone should know about. Topic for today is newborn hearing screening. As the name suggests, newborn hearing screening is a test that must be administered in new infants before discharge from hospital to identify hearing loss at earliest, that is to identify any issues of hearing in babies. In simple words, hearing is one of the 5 primary senses which help us to communicate. Not able to hear is not associated with mortality, but it affects an individual's life severely, maybe socially, academically, economically, and more. We have already discussed everything in detail about hearing loss in our previous videos. Do watch them if you want to know about hearing loss. 5 to 6 in every 1,000 babies have hearing loss, and there is a need to identify these babies at earliest so as to minimize the impact due to their exceptional hearing. Unfortunately, the sense of hearing is often taken for granted and people do not realize its importance unless it is lost or impaired. The problem of hearing loss was not a priority of Indian government. However, with the advent of NPPCD, that stands for National Program for the Prevention and Control of Deafness, there is renewed interest in public health problem. Under NPPCD of India, universal hearing screening can and should be applied. In next 5 minutes, we will be providing all information on the test that you should make sure is administered in your newborn, why it is so important, what procedure is involved, and more. Beginning with the importance, this test should be administered at earliest because if there is a hearing loss, it is best that it is identified earliest, as children develop and learn in the first 5 years of their life most, and it is crucial time for their development. Auditory sense is crucial for mental development of the child. Identifying hearing loss early will prevent the problem to go out of hand, and identifying the problem late can cause delay in development and they may miss out learning things in his or her critical period of life due to lack of hearing. Plus, if they are not identified till they attain 2 or more years of age, by then irreversible damage would have been done, which would be more difficult to intervene. Child not hearing for first 3 to 4 years of life. You yourself can think of importance of early hearing test. Now giving you more information on which test and how the test is performed, we begin with audiologist, who is a professional of hearing health, administers babies with simple test and gives appropriate recommendations so as to make sure baby get proper intervention. Mostly the test that is performed on babies is screening OAE, in which a small probe is put into the child's ear and the small handheld machine sends some stones via the probe into the child's ear, testing the functioning till outer hair cells of the ear. The duration of the test is not more than 10 to 15 minutes. These tests are carried out in hospitals after the delivery itself. All babies should undergo screening hearing test before 1 month of age and keep follow-up of your child's hearing health. None of the hearing testing is risking your baby by any means. After the testing is done, report will be given to you, which would be stating the functioning till outer hair cells, if it is normal, that is pass, or affected, that is refer, whether child is hearing typically or has some issues in hearing. Even if the test is pass, you should monitor your child's hearing and speech language developmental milestones. If you feel delayed, should consult to concerned professional at earliest for same. And if the test is fail, rather being panicked, keep a regular follow-up, as failing the screening hearing test by 1 month old or below baby does not always mean that child is not hearing. This test has chances to show false results as it may get affected by many factors like noise, proper seal in newborns, ear canal, Also, newborn babies have fluid in their ear because of which they may get fail result in a OE test, which needs to be retested. Get baby again for testing before 3 months of age for detailed hearing testing. Detailed testing may mainly involve BERA testing, which ideally should be done after 1 month of age so that the nerve responsible for hearing gets matured and proper results can be captured. Also, babies at high risk like preterm babies, NICU babies, delayed birth cry, hyperbilirubinemia, underweight babies, any complication during delivery babies must follow screening as well as detailed hearing evaluation to make sure that child is hearing typically. Therefore, concluding to the point that early identification and intervention is the best you can do for your child. I hope some valuable information was shared today and the viewers out there got their queries resolved. If not, you could comment below or mail us on aslpclub@gmail.com. All the right directed information may be provided to you. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and comment.